Today, we show how to buy shares of Research Frontiers, Inc. as a practical example, focusing on the search, how to buy shares of Research Frontiers, Inc. Research Frontiers develops SPD smart glass technology and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker REFR. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy a stock, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker REFR to find the listing. Make sure you locate the correct NASDAQ match for Research Frontiers before proceeding. On the stock page, you can review basic company information and view the price chart for context. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you wish to allocate, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to review the platform example.